In this amid pandemic, when whole country is fighting with coronavirus, suddenly the news came from the West Bengal that two ministers and one MLA of TMC arrested by CBI official in Narda bribery case. It all started on Monday morning when CBI, the Central Bureau of Investigation, arrested four ministers Firhad Hakim and Subrata Mukherjee, TMC MLA Madan Mitra and former Kolkata Mayor Sovan Chattopadhyay in the Narda bribery case. The move comes days after Governor Jagdeep Dhankar gave his consent to the CBI for filing a charge sheet against the four accused and sanctioned prosecution against them. All of them were state ministers when the Narda sting operation purportedly showing them taking money. The tapes were released ahead of the 2016 State Assembly polls. The Calcutta High Court had ordered a CBI probe into the sting operation in March 2017. Let me explain to you what is Narda case. The Narda sting operation was conducted by Narda News founder Matthew Samuel for over 2 years in West Bengal, conducted in 2014 for the news magazine Tehelka. It was published on a private news website, Narda News, month before the 2016 West Bengal Assembly elections. As part of the operation, Samuel formed a fictitious company named Impex Consultancy Solution and approached several TMC ministers, MPs and leaders, asking them for favors in return for money. In the 52-hour footage photographed by Samuel and his colleague Angel Ibrahim, then TMC MPs Mukul Roy, Saugata Roy, Kakuli Ghosh Dastidar, Prasoon Banerjee, Suvendu Adhikari, Aparupa Poddar and Sultan Ahmed. He died in 2017, and State Minister Madan Mitra, Subrata Mukherjee and Firhad Hakim and Iqbal Ahmed were seen accepting alleged bribes in the form of wads of cash in exchange for extending unofficial favors for Impex Consultancy Solution, which was floated by Samuel himself. Although Mukul Roy, who is now the National Vice President of the BJP, was not seen accepting cash in the video, but he was seen asking Samuel to visit his party office with the promised cash. Suvendu Adhikari is now a BJP leader and the leader of the opposition in State Assembly. Sovan Chatterjee had joined the BJP in 2019 but quit the party this year after he was denied a ticket for the assembly polls. On March 17, 2017, the Calcutta High Court ordered that a preliminary probe will be conducted by the CBI. The court also directed the CBI to register an FIR against those who were involved in the case if required. On March 18, 2017, the state initiated disciplinary proceeding against SMH Mirza. On April 16, 2017, the CBI filed a first information report against 12 Trinamool leaders for criminal conspiracy. The CBI also subsequently summoned all of the leaders involved to assist in the investigation. All of them were booked under Section 120B of IPC Criminal Conspiracy, Section 13(2), Section 13 ID and Section 7 of Prevention of Corruption Act. This is the whole story behind the Narda case, where the high voltage drama of the TMC leader are still going on in front of CBI office, and incident of stone pelting was also noticed there. Later by evening, all the leaders arrested given bail on the reason that all the jails are now full and due to the coronavirus situation their life are in danger, but the bail got cancelled by the Calcutta High Court and the